stock exhaust system removed, the first part we're going to install is the adapter to the converter pipe. You'll see that it's slotted and it's notched to go over the alignment pin on the factory catalytic converter. We'll put the 2 1/4 hardware over it with the hardware on the passenger side, nut facing down. We'll slide it over the converter until it locks into the alignment pin, and we'll bring this clamp all the way up to the front. Completely tighten this at this time. As there is no adjustment in that part. Next part we're going to install is the midsection. The longer torso is going to go towards the motor side. We're going to start with putting a witness mark at 1 3/4 of an inch from the end of this tube. I'm going to install a double compression 3-inch clamp with the hardware also towards the passenger side and the nuts down. We're going to slide it all the way forward on this pipe. Line this pipe up to the best of our ability, knowing we're going to have to come back and tighten it. The next part we're going to install is the actual muffler. This is a 2-chamber muffler with a Helmholtz for drone and a sound absorbing to remove unwanted rasp. I'm going to lubricate the factory hangers, which we're going to reuse. Put another 1 3/4 inch witness mark for our double compression clamp. And on this clamp, we're going to have the hardware towards the driver's side, again with the nuts down, and we're going to slide that up. All the way up till it touches and bring it down about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Reloosen this connection a little bit if needed. We want these hangers, we want to push the muffler all the way forward so these hangers are both cocking slightly forward. This gives the exhaust system room to expand as it heats up. The last part we have to install is the tailpipe, and there's many options available. We're going to put the turn down hidden tailpipe in at this time. Start out with another witness mark at 1 3/4. Put this clamp on, hardware towards the driver's side, nuts down, and slide it all the way up. Once you got your tailpipe on, check the rest of the exhaust system to make sure it's in its best alignment, and then thoroughly tighten all of the clamps over.